वेल और इनके बारे में बात करूँ तो कभी हथौड़ा उठा लेते हैं, कभी स्त्री इन्हें उठा लेती है। क्या होता है मतलब?
अमिताभ बच्चन वो होता है मर्द।
द हीरो एलिमेंट दैट दे यूज्ड टू लाइक वो अभी फेड हो रहा है।
यार I don't know because when Pushpa comes people are loving the same hero element. So Kabir Singh is not a very fresh love story if you think about it. सबने अपनी जिंदगी में देखी है, बस कोई बोलता नहीं, बोलता अरे ये कहानी कैसे ला सकते हो तुम यार. Animal is a complete fiction.
Do you have any role model, any inspiration?
I think Virat Kohli is a great role model यार. मर्द है.
अभी जैसे आपने थोड़ी बियर्ड रखी, दाढ़ी रखी. What do you prefer?
It is true that I have a very baby face and I clean shave, so I don't like that. So probably to be more masculine.
So कोई भी एक ऐसा मेल स्टीरियोटाइप जो आपको लगता है कि भाई ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, इसको तो मुझे तोड़ना है.
Like मैं नहीं जा रहा जिम में बिना जिम के एक्टर बनूंगा. When you go beyond their expectations, that is when you're real mud.
Hello everyone and welcome to the very first episode of Behind the Beards, a podcast by Beardo. अपने बारे में बात करूँ तो my name is अपार शर्मा. I've been a men's lifestyle content creator for years now. और मुझे कुछ ही साल हुए हैं Beardo से एसोसिएट होकर and we do have a common goal which is doing something good for the men. इस शो की बात करें तो इस शो पे हम आदमियों के लिए बात करेंगे, मर्दों के लिए बात करेंगे और मर्दों के बारे में ही बात करेंगे. लेकिन आज मैं अकेला बात नहीं करूंगा. हमारे हर एपिसोड में एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग गेस्ट हमारे बियर्डो चेयर पे बैठेंगे और हमसे बात करेंगे. और अगर बात करें आज के स्पेशल गेस्ट के बारे में तो इन्होंने हमारी कंट्री को, हमारी इंडस्ट्री को बहुत ही बड़े बड़े टैलेंट्स प्रोवाइड करें और अपने खुद के टैलेंट से भी हम सबको इम्प्रेस किया है. वेल और इनके बारे में बात करूँ तो कभी हथौड़ा उठा लेते हैं, कभी स्त्री इन्हें उठा लेती है. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बोस्ट कर रहा हूँ, आई नो, क्योंकि मुझे इसी चीज़ के पैसे मिलते हैं यार. लेकिन अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ये बहुत ही ट्रू और बहुत अमेजिंग टैलेंट है. वेलकम टू द पॉडकास्ट हर्ष.
Thank you यार
हाय,
अपार.
कैसे हो आप?
बढ़िया. आप कैसे हो?
बहुत बढ़िया हूँ. आई सॉ योर कैमियो ऑन रंग दे बसंती. तो वहाँ से लेके टिल बिकमिंग अभिषेक बैनर्जी, सबसे हार्डेस्ट चीज़ आपकी लाइफ में क्या रही है? इस जर्नी की सबसे हार्डेस्ट चीज़ क्या रही?
The hardest time I don't know. There are like different phases. और हर फेज में एक अलग हार्ड टाइम आता है. So I don't know how to really judge the most difficult time. It has to do with something with financially, probably, when you don't have enough money to pay your rents and take care of your daily life. And I think I went through it for a very short period when I came to Bombay because I immediately jumped to working. Probably when I was not getting to act and I was only casting and I was not able to get something for me. I was not cracking auditions or nobody was interested in me as an actor. That was the most, hardest time because you feel you don't feel accepted. And I think as artists, the only thing you're craving for is acceptance, right? Like either from the creator or from the audience or people like you. Ki haan, matlab, yeah, I want to talk to Abhishek. So that's also acceptance, right? So
Yeah, now we all know you.
yeah, but thank you for that.
Yeah. So जो आपका ये हार्ड फेज था, उस टाइम पे कभी आपको कुछ स्टीरियोटाइप्स मिले थे लोगों से?
वो तो आई थिंक बॉम्बे की भी जरूरत नहीं है उसके लिए. दैट आई थिंक एनीबडी सिटिंग इन एनी स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया विल से दैट. एनी किड इन एनी स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया विल से द सेम थिंग. यार एक्टर बनना है तो बॉडी बनानी पड़ेगी. बट नोबडी विल टॉक अबाउट एक्टर बनना है तो ट्रेनिंग करनी पड़ेगी. And I think the new generation is getting that. And they're talking, whenever I interact with them because of my casting background, there's so many newcomers who come to Bombay, they talk to me, they want to take advice from me and stuff like that. So I realize that they're asking now right questions. They're like, sir, मैं theater कहाँ करूँ? पहले तो ये सवाल होता ही नहीं था. And पहले सवाल होता था कि सर मुझे एक्टिंग कैसे करूँ? मुझे एक्टिंग लाइन में आना है. So the thing is that it's always become a matter of dreams. It's always been sold to us saying that ये सपना है, वो पूरा होगा. So the value of hard work became very less, probably in the generation which were chasing to be an actor. And that lack of willingness to train to be an actor will also show in the quality of acting overall in a particular country or in industry or whatever. So I think that's going up. So that shows that people are
They became.
moving towards the right space. Yeah.
I've been a big fan of your character, especially. One side is Abhishek Banerjee, but other sides you've played immensely well characters. एक तरफ जफा from Rana Naidu, then Jana and Stree. स्पेक्ट्रम बहुत बहुत वाइड है, बहुत अलग है. देन वी टॉक अबाउट कंपाउंडर, हथौड़ा त्यागी. तो आपको जो स्पेक्ट्रम है बहुत ही वाइड है. बट टेल मी, एक कैरेक्टर ऐसा जब आपको प्ले करने से पहले ऐसा बोला गया हो कि बिल्कुल मैस्कुलिन माइंडसेट के साथ ये कैरेक्टर को प्ले करना है, या आपको लगा हो कि इसमें मुझे थोड़ा मैस्कुलिन बिहेव करना है इस कैरेक्टर को प्ले करते हुए?
Suddenly, the minute you said masculine, I'm like, is it a negative word? First thought is that.
Yeah.
See, because I don't know, it's a very misunderstood word at this point. So then you're like, okay, yes, I've been told that this is a patriarchal character. And sometimes what happens is people mix the two.
Correct.
Right. So yeah, that's the thing, that I've been told to be patriarchal in a particular character, but not masculine.
No.
Somebody has told me that. I don't think that is an instruction given to an actor, usually. But I get what you're saying. And maybe at the back of the head, you have that. Like probably the most I've tried that is for Apurva. But the funny side is that character is not good.
Yeah.
So it questions me, what is the identity of masculinity in my head? Is it toxic? Or is it like something which you don't want to be associated with? I'm just telling you as an artist, that's the first question which arises. So as I said, like leaving Compounder and Hathoda Tyagi, aside, because they're the stereotype or prototype of masculine men. I think Jana and Jaffa are a great comparison. Because there will be people who will not accept them as masculine men. Because again, they don't match the prototype of it. But then, if masculinity is about strength, right, sheer strength, and that's your inner strength, core strength, because exterior strength, we don't know, right? That completely depends on your combat training. But your inner strength, that if it defines that, then both of them have it. And probably both of them have it more than the other characters.
Absolutely.
Who are supposed to be more masculine. He has the courage to stand up against a demon to fight for his friend. When Sakata, grabs Vicky, he's the one who says, Jai Jagadashishwari Mata, and, just goes and starts. That's courage, bro. And he stands up to his most masculine brother for love. Okay, to get married.
That's a very interesting take. I mean, if the people are able to understand what I understood from your words was कि यहाँ से नहीं है, सिर्फ यहाँ से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. Like you rightly explained कि वो characters का जो transition था from being very low key, very soft, very what do you call it, fragile, वहाँ से एकदम से उनका transition आया. तो रण नायडू में भी और श्री में भी तो एकदम से उन्होंने पलटवार किया. And the courage came from here, from your mind. So yeah, I mean.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, that it doesn't really come from strength.
Okay, now I just wanted to show you a quick video we did with Bobby Deol.
Yeah.
And where he raises a question, क्या होता है मर्द? I'll just take a minute of yours.
क्या होता है मर्द?
क्या होता है
Oh my
मर्द?
God.
So I would want your take कि क्या होता है मर्द, but just have a look at the video.
मर्द होने का मतलब क्या है? दुनिया अब तक समझ नहीं पाई. दुनिया को आग चाहिए, पर जो जले नहीं. मर्द चाहिए, पर मर्दानगी नहीं. अब रह गए यही सवाल, मर्द होने का मतलब क्या है?
हाँ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
क्या होता है मर्द?
अमिताभ बच्चन. वो होता है मर्द. I don't know, man. Like no, seriously, I don't think there's he's the demigod of masculinity. मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता and all of that. क्या होता है मर्द? I think the whole idea of being a mard or the man or whatever, it's about being head of the tribe. You know, any animal tribe or anything, like, you know, that there's always this someone who is taking care of the tribe. I think men are given that responsibility at a very young age. और वो बार बार बोला भी जाता है कि भाई तुमको संभालना है, you have to. माँ बोलती है, बाप बोलता है, and then of course, you know, everybody, and somebody who feels deeply probably will also संभालो strangers, क्योंकि वो संभालने की आदत हो जाती है, responsibility. So I think that is associated with being mard. When it is abused as a word is when you're not doing these things. You're not taking the responsibility, probably, of your household or whatever. Or you don't take any responsibility about your society. आप responsibility नहीं ले रहे हो, कुछ आप देख रहे हो और आप बोल रहे हो हाँ ठीक है मैं चला जाता हूँ. There's no responsibility. But at home you're mard. At home you're like, okay, now I need my so and so whatever food on time because here I am. But there I was not. So that's when the hypocrisy begins, right? Yeah. That's where I think the real mard is somebody who will probably, probably understand what you need to actually be the leader of the tribe. And then be that. फिर उतनी मेहनत करो तो ही आपको ना वो तवज्जो दी जाएगी. ऐसे नहीं आप राजा का बेटा राजा क्यों? Is that? Right? सही बात है ना, मतलब राजा का बेटा राजा क्यों ना? तो वैसे मर्द का बेटा मर्द हो जरूरी नहीं है. You have to grow to, you have to क्या कहते हैं? Earn it. रोट प्राउडली बोलना है तो प्राउडली बोलो, वरना मेल फीमेल जेंडर में खेलो, मेल हो फीमेल हो.
Right. So basically there's a very thin line
Yeah, there is. And that's what the problem is, that when people cross the thin line and then associate it in a very different way, that's the thing. Like, you know, whether you are ready to take the responsibility of being a mard. Are you doing exactly what you feel you should be doing for whoever? And that pressure, somebody might say, कि हम क्यों ले? Like, you know, like that's when you attain spirituality. Like, फिर आप उस रास्ते पे चले जाते हो जब आपको ये responsibility नहीं लेना है.
So Abhishek, you are from the industry. So tell me, characters like Kabir Singh and Animal, ये characters किस limit तक justified हैं या फिर justified है ही नहीं?
It's like डर का शाहरुख खान होना चाहिए क्या? और दोनों के साथ बहुत बुरा होता है. कोई bed of roses में नहीं जी रहे हैं वो.
Right.
You know, they are like getting their due as the toxic men they are. So I think that there has been like a fine balance of, like, you know, what the character is feeling and they are doing. So that's why those films have also earned that much, because the audience is sitting and relating. हम भी जब छोटे बच्चे थे तो हमें भी ऐसी बहुत सारी फिल्में देखते थे, you know, where things, I mean, morally, or like, you know, if you put the whole social umbrella to it, then everything is wrong in those films. बहुत खराब चीजें सीखने को ऐसा लगे. But are we going ahead and doing that? मैं बना क्या वैसा? You know, I didn't do that. If somebody else is, that's the thing, na, that are we responsible for your common sense?
What I get from you is कि तुम्हारे ऊपर क्या influence आ रहा है? You are the...
Yeah, तुम्हारे ऊपर influence, मतलब अगर I don't know, फिल्मों का, like, that's the, are we like that backward that we are like really like Bollywood entertainment films? So we are trying to get influenced apart from clothes and fashion and everything. And it is both ways, right? Sometimes a film like Ratna Basanti will provoke a movement like Jessica. I don't know. That balance the society needs to find here.
Yeah.
It should not be. It should not be put on a director or an actor की भाई देख तुमको भी डिसीजन लेने इतने भी कोई बहुत ग्रेट डिसीजंस बाकी वाले ले नहीं रहे
नहीं ले रहे हैं, करेक्ट.
ऐसा नहीं कि आपकी दूसरी जो फिल्म में जो कहना चाहती है उसमें बहुत कुछ कहा जा रहा है ठीक है ऐसा नहीं है कि यू नो ऐसा सो इफ यू आर नॉट यूजिंग if you're not being able to create the other side then to blame this side is just
सो कैन वी से कि आपने पिक्चर के पैसे दिए, मूवी एंजॉय करी, घर जाके उसको भूल जाओ, rather than रेजिंग रेड फ्लैग्स कि उसने उस कैरेक्टर ने ऐसा क्यों करा.
यूजुअली भूल ही जाते हैं ऐसा कोई कुछ ऐसा याद मतलब आई डोंट थिंक कोई ऐसा इंटरस्टेलर बना रहे हैं हम लोग को कि कोई जाके अब डिस्कस कर रहा है कि साइंस क्या थी उसके पीछे इतना डिफिकल्ट मूवीज नहीं है दिस आर वेरी लाइक यू नो दिस आर इजी मूवीज दिस आर इजी वॉच सो इजी वॉच इज इजी वॉच सो लेट्स नॉट कॉम्प्लिकेट दैट इनटू मेकिंग दैट आई डोंट या
देयर वर टाइम्स व्हेन एक्टर नहीं एक्टर हीरो हुआ करता था, अगर हम कुछ साल पीछे चल रहे हैं सिनेमा के. बट अभी क्या लोगों को ज्यादा प्रैक्टिकल, ज्यादा ग्राउंडेड कंटेंट देखने में मजा आ रहा है. और
लोगों को तो बिल्कुल आ रहा है for sure and because that's the kind of interaction I have usually when I am traveling whether in India abroad I mean and I always take up it's like a if I'm in a business right I'm in a business I'm an actor and I have my own brand and people have seen me and you know now my customer satisfaction is through understanding the customers. So I actually talk, and because I also come from a behind the camera career, I have people, friends, who are technicians and writers or editors or like in different fields. तो मेरी सबसे बात होती है सबका एक अपना एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है चीजें कैसी बदलनी चाहिए नहीं बदलनी चाहिए वो अपनी जगह है but I definitely understand that the audience really loves like I met someone yesterday in a flight and he's like सर मैंने पता लो कल देखी एंड आई फेल्ट सो बैड कि मैं हिंदी कंटेंट देख नहीं रहा था आई वाज नॉट वाचिंग इंडियन कंटेंट but I just looked at him like yeah मतलब exactly so we're trying to do something for you guys man so that you guys start watching because it's somehow become uncool to watch some of the Hindi content you know and that's very scary कि अगर आपका यूथ जो है अगर डिस्कनेक्ट हो रहा है वो बोल रहा है कि मैं देखता ही नहीं हूँ वो तो मैं डेट मतलब like and it's one of the most popular shows but still there are like people who are still discovering it and that shows that maybe a lot big section of audience is not just are not interested so how to get them back
so people the hero element that they used to like वो अभी fade हो रहा है.
yeah I don't know because when Pushpa comes people are loving the same hero element,
Yeah.
right. So I don't know because maybe that's not true because audience will always enjoy watching hero. Hero is also a character, you know. ये हमने हीरो बोल के चीज करती बट हीरो एक्चुअली एक कैरेक्टर होता है वो ग्रीक लिटरेचर और वहां की माइथोलॉजी से शुरू हुई है हीरो कि कोई टाइटन हीरो है लाइक यू नो व्हाटएवर गॉड हीरोज ये वहां से शुरू हुआ है hero is the savior basically that is how it has been so in film scripts or anything that's why I said the one you are okay to give the maximum responsibility in a script the maximum mard is the hero right and the next mard who is challenging him is the villain now you see the villain hero doing all the toxic masculinity traits
और आजकल वो ज्यादा कूल है.
हाँ वो करेगा सारी वो चीजें और अपना हीरो हमेशा ग्राउंडेड रहेगा वो हर चीज करेक्ट रहेगा तो ही इज गिविंग यू द लाइक यू नो द राइट एग्जांपल्स ऑफ मैस्कुलिनिटी आई थिंक दैट सो आई थिंक या दैट इज इट दैट्स व्हाट हीरो इज ना तो वो देखना कभी बंद क्यों करेगा बंद आदमी सबको देखना है तुम बोल रहे हो कि कूल है या दे ऑल वॉच टेड बंडी एंड वो सब डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज देखते हैं पर अभी तुम एक साइको किलर को पूरे टाइम पूरे शो का बना दोगे वही आदमी मारे जा रहा until and unless he is a cute lover जो तुम्हारे यू में आ जाता है
yeah.
तो लव एलिमेंट है सिर्फ पूरा मैस्कुलिन डार्क नहीं है you know so yeah but complete I think people will get tired, man. That one guy is just taking a chainsaw and just killing people. And every episode he's just finding a different weapon to kill people. I think it's going to be very boring. So you need somebody who's a loser, probably, but is going to fight this chainsaw guy. And then the real test of masculinity will happen, right? One has strength, one has inner strength. So inner strength wins.
So when you told us about your hard phase, जब पैसा नहीं था, struggle कर रहे थे,
पैसा था
तो
जब एक्टिंग का
हाँ।
पैसा मेरे पास सिर्फ कुल मिला के 2-3 महीना ऐसा हुआ होगा कि मुझे उधार लेना पड़ा हो. मैंने उधार भी मोटे मोटे लिए हैं सब दोस्तों से, मोटे मोटे उधार लिए.
मुंबई में जब मैं
हाँ, वो उधार लेके मैं पार्टीज करता था, to go out, to have fun. Then I stopped having fun.
तो जो भी आपका हार्ड फेज, स्ट्रगल वाला फेज था, कभी ऐसा हुआ कि किसी ने बोला हो कि कुछ नहीं होता यार, चल मैन अप एंड मूव इट, तो चलता रहता है, ऐसा कभी?
रोज ही बोलते रहते हैं हम एक दूसरे को, अभी भी होता है दोस्तों में तो है. Of course, I think, and that's what male friends. I don't know how much we can talk about this. I think male friends are the best therapist.
Yeah.
There's no better therapist than your best male friends. And if you have 2-3 of them to call, भाई ये हो गया, भाई ये हो गया, भाई ये हो गया, वो जो आपको थेरेपी देंगे ना भाई साहब, वो कोई और नहीं दे सकता आपको.
भले वो बहुत स्वीट और मोटिवेटिंग नहीं हुई, वो गाली गलौज और गंदी हुई, लेकिन
नहीं
हिट
मतलब
करता.
हाँ वो कुछ हो. I don't know, sometimes I feel that they fill, I think male buddies ना, they can fill the void so easily and without any
शुगर कोट.
exactly, they don't sugarcoat.
हाँ.
They'll say exactly, भाई तू ये है, ऐसा है तेरा, ये प्रॉब्लम ये है, वो है. और फिर चाहे कैसा भी हो, they'll always be, the whole thing is that they're not trying to fight your emotion, they're with your emotion. अच्छा ठीक है, अच्छा याद आ रही है, कोई बात नहीं. वो अलग बात है कि उसकी तो शादी हो गई है, कोई फायदा नहीं है याद होने का. बट फिर भी ये दोस्त खड़ा कि कोई बात नहीं दोस्त, याद आ रही, कर ले याद, मैं तेरे साथ बैठा हूँ, हम साथ में याद करते. You know, that's the, and I don't know how men are like that, but that's the beauty of, I think, male relationships. And I've really understood that at certain phase of my life, and then I realized, हाँ ये अच्छा है यार, this is quite a comforting scene to have, because men always have that issue of being lonely, right?
Right.
So I think that's the way you fight it. You need to have some 4-5 like genuine buddies, man.
Yeah.
Like your own tribe.
So, other than your male friends, do you have any role model, any inspiration?
Other than my male friends.
Yeah.
It can be female also.
Yeah. Anyone who supported you or who is like an inspiration to you? उनको शायद पता भी ना हो.
Agatha Christie.
Wow.
I think she's my biggest inspiration. I love I think I started loving thrillers because of Agatha Christie. But role model, I mean, I think Virat Kohli is a great role model, yaar. And mard hai.
Solid.
Nobody can, and I think, counter that. So yeah, and still, like, the kind of niceness he has, there's a general niceness to him. That, I think, to reach that level, to be that solid masculine guy, and to also have, the connection of the softer side, and to also be a hero, but also know how to be a normal person.
Yeah.
And I think that's the kind of journey probably he's going through, and that's really inspiring. That after reaching there, how to tame yourself.
Right. Okay. Another personal question. अभी जैसे आपने थोड़ी बियर्ड रखी है, दाढ़ी रखी है, मेरे को तो बढ़िया लग रही है आप पे, बट what do you prefer? How do you prefer yours?
Beard, bhai, full beard,
Yeah.
full beard. I love full beard, but
Characters की डिमांड से हटके मतलब.
no, I just love beard. It's like since my college days, I used to always love my beard, but then and also have that's what I feel. Maybe it is true that I have a very baby face and I clean shave, so I don't like that. So probably to be more masculine, I like my beard more. Yeah.
I know we also love beard on you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so we have a very interesting section for our podcast, which is breaking the stereotype. तो अपने पास हथौड़ा है फॉर द हथौड़ा त्यागी, मतलब ये सिर्फ आपके लिए नहीं है, जितने भी गेस्ट आएंगे सबके लिए हमें रखेंगे. So
Thank you for making me feel unspecial.
Yeah. No. I know कि आप वो इस कैरेक्टर के बारे में स्पेसिफिकली सुन के बहुत बोर हो चुके होगे अभी तक. तो इसलिए एंड थैंक्स टू यू, क्योंकि आपकी वजह से हमने रखा है कि अभी पहले गेस्ट आप हो हमारे, बट ये हमेशा रहने वाला है
Zero
यहाँ
done.
पे. सो टेक्निकली विल बी ऑलवेज देयर ऑन आवर एवरी पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड. सो कोई भी एक ऐसा मेल स्टीरियोटाइप जो आपको लगता है कि भाई ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, इसको तो मुझे तोड़ना है.
बॉडी बना लो. ये मेरे को प्रॉब्लम थी. मेरे को एक्चुअली दिस वाज एक्चुअली अ जिद. कि when I came here to be an actor and everybody said कि जिम तो जाना पड़ेगा. I'm like मैं नहीं जा रहा जिम. मैं बिना जिम के एक्टर बनूंगा. This is a very wrong message to the younger generation. Yeah. Because it's true, like sometimes what happens is that because you go hit the gym all the time, your body becomes stiff. It's like a gym bro standing for every character. Now every character can't be a gym bro,
करेक्ट.
right? Like a bank manager should look like a bank manager. That's so unfair if he looks like a gym bro,
तो तब आप
right?
कैटेगराइज हो जाओगे क्या इसी रोल के लिए? मैं
I
इस
mean,
बंदे
yeah, and you get. I also think that makes your body. I mean, you will become a very boring actor after a point. Maybe what that will give you. And for certain kind of roles or everything, you need to, of course. And I understand, when you become a star and everything, and then you have to do it because those are the kind of shots they're taking. But till that happens, you can just be an actor, yeah. Because the star will happen through a character. It will not really happen because of your body. It's going to happen through a character. One character is going to make you star. आप नहीं बन जाओगे, कोई कैरेक्टर बनाएगा आपको. तो कैरेक्टर में अगर जरूरत है बॉडी तो बॉडी, नहीं जरूरत है तो नहीं है. Like पाताल लोक, I think that was the first thing which, and that was my beginning of my career. So that was a very crucial point because there was this discussion that okay, his name is Hathoda Tyagi. What do we do? Should we make him a Hathoda physically? Thought about it. Not that I'm lazy, but I actually said कि नहीं, because India में we don't see a guy like that. आप यूपी में जाओगे, कोई समथिंग पंचर या कोई नाम होगा उसका, वो ऐसा छोटा सा होगा, मार के चला जाएगा आपको. And that's the kind of realism. That's more scary than normal person can do it. So yeah, these are the calls you need to take. And I'm not saying I'm doing it for some rebellion and all that. It's not that. It's just that I feel more liberated by doing this. It is my own win. It is my own achievement. It's not meant to show people down or कि अरे नहीं तुम अच्छे नहीं हो, हम अच्छे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ये मेरा किक है. अब बना रहा हूँ मैं. अब मैं I'm going to the gym. I'm now taking care of my. But there was a phase I used to not do anything, and I was like, I just want to be like this. हाँ, कम खाओ, थोड़ा ज्यादा मोटे मत हो जाओ.
Being fit is the mantra.
हाँ,
not
fit रहो. तो कोई रोल डिमांड करे तो बात अलग है, definitely. But till that, if it's working for your characters, why not?
So we have a mirror जो एक स्टीरियोटाइप है. Let's say कि वो स्टीरियोटाइप आपका एक tangible चीज है, we converted into a mirror. तो इस थोड़े सा I want you to break that stereotype and show all those people जो
अभी
आपको
तोड़
बोलते थे कि भाई जिम करो. तो अभी अपन दिखाते हैं हमने कितनी बड़ी बनाई है. सो अभिषेक, हमने रिसेंटली एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज की थी. वी टॉक टू आवर 100 मोस्ट लॉयल कस्टमर्स. हमने उनसे पूछा कि व्हाट डिफाइंस अ मैन. तो उन्होंने 3 कॉमन वर्ड्स जो हमें मोस्टली लोगों से सुनने को मिले, विच वर 1 अनटेम्ड, 2 अनफिल्टर्ड एंड नंबर 3 अनस्टॉपेबल. मतलब उनको लगता है या तो हमें ऐसा होना चाहिए या फिर हम ऐसा बनना चाहते हैं. सो क्या आप इन तीनों वर्ड से रिलेट करते हैं या फिर आपका कोई इन पे ओपिनियन है?
लड़के अनस्टॉपेबल है. मतलब that's what they said.
Yeah.
They're all
Either
men
they
or what?
are
They're all
unstoppable.
men or what?
Yeah, all of them were men.
And they said that untamed,
Unfiltered and
Unfiltered.
unstoppable. Either they are one of these
are they
या फिर उन्हें
unfiltered?
ऐसा
Are
होना
they
है.
unfiltered in front of their bosses? तो मानूंगा मैं.
नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं है.
That's what, nah, bro. I'm telling you, they'll use these terms, but they're so untamed. They'll be controlled by their.
They are not exactly these, but either they want to be this. या
That's
फिर
what they exactly. Every man wants to be this.
हाँ.
They want to be. They're not.
Hmm.
Really, right? They can't really run that fast.
तो मतलब एस्पिरेशन
वो
है.
फिल्मों में होता है.
हाँ.
ये जवानी दीवानी में जो होता है कि मैं फोटोग्राफर बनना चाहूंगा, नहीं बन पाओगे भाई। मम्मी पापा
सही में
जब घर का जब वो आएगा नहीं बन पाओगे, तुम्हें वापस आना पड़ेगा। You
अब्बा
have to
नहीं
take
खाने
care of your, like, you know, old parents will have to take care of your family, otherwise unless of course you're like we're talking about the 0.1% of India right now. I'm talking about the 99% of India. So you won't be able to do that. So don't even get into that space. तो वो तो करना पड़ेगा.
करेक्ट
So the untamed part or the unfiltered part or the unstoppable part. I think all these three, rather than again taking it as an exterior force, if you make it internal force rather than external, then probably you will achieve the real. I'm telling you, the confidence comes from within. Do you know? Are you sure of what you're doing? Are you really, really sure of it? Have you worked hard towards it? I'll just give you a very simple example and why I'm probably right now feeling very masculine. I'll tell you. It's not because I hit the gym regularly in the past 1 week. It's not because I was shooting from Mirzapur, you know, or it's not because I was going to come for this podcast. I think I rehearsed a play and I had to put up a play on stage with 3 days of off-stage rehearsals and 3 days of time to memorize the lines. So around 50 pages.
Wow.
And to perform that in front of an audience of 400. This is a task. Okay. Now, whether I am taking it seriously, casually, professionally, unprofessionally, that's a different thing. When you finish that task and you know you have put in the effort to achieve that, that's when you feel manly. That's when you feel masculine. That, okay, yeah,
मैंने कुछ
I can
उखाड़ा है
put my mind to something and I can do it. And do it the way probably I would want to do it. And do it the way probably my friends would not expect. When you go beyond their expectations, that is when you're real mad. You know? When you're actually going at it like a tiger. That's what every boy wants to be, right? Tiger, tiger, tiger. शेर बहुत मेहनत करता है यार. बहुत मेहनत करता है वो. और सिर्फ अपने लिए नहीं करता, वो अपने पूरे ट्राइब के लिए करता है.
करेक्ट
उतने मेहनत करने के लिए रेडी होना पड़ेगा. That's when you'll really feel that power. बाकी सब फर्जी पावर है. वो एक ना एक दिन कोई आपसे छीन लेगा. जो भी एक्सटर्नल पावर्स हैं आपके, वो कोई ना कोई एक दिन आके छीन लेगा, क्योंकि आपका कोई बाप होगा, बाप का कोई बाप होगा, उसका भी कोई बाप होगा. ये वाला कोई नहीं छीन पाएगा. You know?
So you have to go for it.
Yes.
जो सोचा है वो करो.
Yes. And do it the way you want to do it. Don't do it the way people are asking you to do it. Don't listen to people.
उसके लिए अपने पास थोड़ा है.
Everybody will say something. And ऐसा होता है, ऐसा नहीं होता, ऐसे होता है, ऐसे होता है. करियर इस टाइम में बनता है, करियर उस टाइम में नहीं बनता. तो because best part about the modern world is that you are never old to be successful. You know?
True.
I think that's done with our parents' age. They're the last generation who probably retired at a certain age. These days, either kids are like, you know, saying that we are retiring at 25, or people are retiring at 40, or people are planning कि early retirements कैसे करने हैं, or there are people who are like, I'm going to work all my life. So the decision making has changed. You know? So yeah, what you have to do and what you got to do, what you need to do, all that needs to be in place to actually achieve the mardangi.
तभी वो एस्पिरेशन आपकी इंस्पिरेशन भी बनेगी और
तभी बनोगे आप अल्फा.
तभी
तभी आप बनोगे अल्फा.
Right.
That's the right word.
So you have a lot of followers, right? The people who admire you, जो आपसे कुछ सीख ले सकते हैं as an actor और as जिनको casting में जाना है, उनके लिए कोई sweet short message. Before that, I would like to enlighten you with an incident which I experienced जब मैं casting bay के ऑफिस गया था एक ऑडिशन देने के लिए बड़े साल पहले 2019 when I had great body, great अपना वो
अभी भी great body है पर नहीं.
अभी नहीं, अभी मेरा भी वाला जोन है कि बॉडी बनाने वालों को मैं थोड़ा ही मार रहा हूँ. तो एनीवे तब गया मैं, तो दिल्ली से आता हूँ मैं भी, तब लग रहा था यार अपनी हिंदी बढ़िया है, पंजाबी बोल लेते हैं, ठीक ठाक दिखता हूँ, ऑडिशन दूंगा भाई, 2 4 5 6 ऑडिशन देंगे, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो हो जाएगा। इंडस्ट्री की डीप नॉलेज नहीं थी ना, पता नहीं था ग्राउंड रियलिटी का। सो आई वेंट देयर, वो लाइन में लगा मैं, तो लाइन में लगते लगते ही वो कॉन्फिडेंस यहाँ से थोड़ा सा यहाँ आया कि आसपास आजू बाजू में और अच्छे से सुंदर दिखने वाले लौंडे देखे थोड़े से, यार ये तो अच्छा दिख रहा है यार, ये भी अच्छी बात कर रहा है यार, इसकी बॉडी बढ़िया है यार। The moment I got inside and the camera got on and they asked me to introduce yourself, तो मेरा ऐसा थोड़ा सा फंबल निकला, अपना नंबर भूल रहा हूँ मैं, अपना प्रोफाइल देते हुए थोड़ा सा बोल रहा हूँ। तो तब मैंने एक लेसन सीखा था कि यार घर पे बैठ के या इंडस्ट्री के बाहर रह के यू फील दिस कि यू कैन डू इट, इसमें क्या बड़ी बात है, कर लेंगे, देखा जाएगा। बट एवरी डे एज अ स्ट्रगलर और एज अ गिविंग योर 100% टू एनीथिंग, तुम्हें एक लेसन लर्न होता है। तो ऐसा कोई एक लेसन दैट यू वांट टू गिव टू योर फॉलोअर्स स्पेसिफिकली जो इस लाइन में आना चाहते हैं?
Which I keep saying that, please spend some time training yourself. Understand acting. It's science. It's mathematics. It's philosophy. There's a lot of subjects. Geography. History. There's a lot which you need to really be aware of to be an actor. Otherwise, you won't be able to understand what the writer has written. And then you will say, कि मेरा dialogue कहाँ है? And that's a very big shame for an actor. और वो बोले मेरा dialogue कहाँ है? So that means उसको dialogue की पड़ी है, उसको कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, बाकी क्या हो रहा है? And if you don't do that, then if you don't basically make yourself rich as a citizen, you will not have a voice. If you don't have a voice, if you only have charm, audience will forget you. Somebody else will have the more charm. Your films need to have voice. I'm not saying political films. Whatever, if you're playing a lover boy who's like, guitar, lover boy, jo bhi hai, there has to be some kind of voice of that person talking to that age group of that community. तो वो जरूरी है. And then you should know that if you're playing a demon like Kabir Singh, if you're playing a demon like, Ranvijay, Animals, right? If you're playing a demon, you should know that how to play that demon. Both the actors knew it. It didn't feel unreal. What Shahid did, when you'll see the performance, you're like, you've seen boys like that. You've seen so many boys like that. You've seen so many love stories like that. So Kabir Singh is not a very fresh love story, if you think about it. सबने अपनी जिंदगी में देखी है, बस कोई बोलता नहीं, बोलता रे ये कहानी कैसे ला सकते तुम यार. Animal is a complete fiction. But when people talk about the father son, like probably it was not given too much of importance because every boy has somewhere felt it. This is always a drift. I mean, not generalizing, but many boys they've always done. Maybe that's the ego of masculinity. कि कौन मर्द है घर में. So maybe it's that, So you should know then that, okay, this is a fiction. In this fiction also you have some responsibilities कि लोग एकदम ही प्यार में ना पड़ जाए उस कैरेक्टर के. और डर भी लगे उस इंसान से जो आपको डर में शाहरुख खान से लगती है.
लगता, करेक्ट.
So आप बोलते हो भाई मुझे ऐसा पागल नहीं होना, प्यार करना है पर मुझे ये नहीं करना जो ये कर रहा है. मैं नहीं जा रहा फॉरेन में उसके हनीमून में स्टॉक कर ले उसको. I think the thing, and I'm just adding this because the whole thing is also now that ये सब आते तो society से, whatever characters we're talking about. So in fact, when I did an Ajji, where I play a child rapist, it was a very difficult character for me because it was very difficult to accept the fact that the society will let this happen. So when you're watching something like that, this about demons, it also shows that these are the demons that you're letting this happen around you. So that shows the kind of lack of awareness a society has. Can't always blame films for that. It's very easy.
Because the characters also are somewhat an inspiration from the real world only. The stories also. Yeah. Fair enough. So, summarizing it, now I'm going to take you back to the first question that I had in my hand.
What was it?
तो मेरा सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन जो आपको है थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी हो सकता है, विच इज के ये पॉडकास्ट जहाँ पे आप आ जाए हो, इज इट लाइक एनी अदर ब्रांड एसोसिएशन और कोलैबोरेशन टू यू, या फिर आपको लगा आ जाने से पहले कि यार ये शायद कुछ नया कुछ अलग हो सकता है? इट वाज कि जब आपने बोला कि भाई हो, तो मैं एंड में बताऊंगा ना कि
अच्छा
पॉडकास्ट
यहाँ
का
पे
कि कैसा
ऐसा नहीं, मैंने लेकिन बोला था कि मुझे बात, आई लव टॉकिंग एंड आई नो दैट दीज आर लाइक इजी कॉन्वर्सेशंस and there's no how did you like to do your characters, you know, no those normal and what is your next, वो सब नहीं है, normal बातें हैं, and I think it's a different medium, I enjoy it, so I came for that and I got that, so yeah.
And the whole point of this podcast is that only
To
have
understand
conversations here.
and to understand it better, because probably I also don't know the whole picture, and it's not, the loop is not really closed in my head, and now I spoke about, कुछ और लोग देखेंगे, शायद देख के बोलेंगे अच्छा ये भी हो सकता है, वो भी हो सकता है, यही तो डिस्कशन है, that's what we want.
Correct.
So we got that. So great.
Correct. So thank you so much, Abhishek,
Thank you.
for being with us, for giving us your time and giving us so much knowledgeable aspects to rely upon and to follow.
Yeah.
बहुत आई थिंक बहुत जिन लोगों ने भी ये देखा सबको बहुत मजा आएगा, तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा शेयर करना, एंड do follow Abhishek, and we are all excited for his upcoming projects and
Yes.
characters. Like we always love him, so do spread love, not hate. So that's all. I really hope कि आप लोगों को ये पॉडकास्ट बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर ऐसा तो प्लीज़ इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करो, so that हम आपके लिए ये कंटेंट, ऐसा कंटेंट बार बार लेकर आते रहें. Thank you. Be masculine but be from your.
Yeah, मर्द प्यार फैलाते.